Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for a new live swatch of one random color from my nail polish collection. And this is something that I do weekly, so if you're new to this entire concept, hi, welcome. I really hope you will like it. Once a week I actually pick one or sometimes multiple colors and swatch them on 5 of my nails, just talk about them, do a small review and so on. Well, of course, first you want to start off with a base coat, and if you are new and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But as I mentioned, of course, go in with your base coat first. This is one of my favorites and it is one by Dior. So it is pretty much high-end and not budget friendly at all, but it is definitely worth the like 25 towards 28 euros because I've been using this one non-stop and it just makes sure that my manicure lasts a long period of time, and it also prevents from staining and chipping as well, which are a few of the key things that I look at when it comes to base coats. I don't just want to protect my nail from staining or discoloration, but I also want to make sure that I can actually make my manicure last for like a week or maybe even 9+ days. Because you know, we don't always have a ton of time to sit down and do our nails every other day. I know that for some people their nail polishes chip super fast. That might have to do with how flexible or brittle your nails are, but a good base coat can definitely help you out with that. But when your base is fully dry, let's go in with your nail polish color of choice. And for this week's nail polish of the week video, I am going in with Hydro Power. This one is from, I think not the last, but the collection before the last by Holotaco. And it is a beautiful, like bright blue linear holographic polish. I have done a full-on review on that collection as well as every other single collection by Holotaco, so if you're curious about that, definitely check out the playlist that I created with all of my swatch videos. But this color is such a stunner and it is actually requested by a couple of my viewers if I wanted to do a full-on swatch, like swatcheroo video, let's just call it like that, about this color, because it really wasn't like the first thing on my mind to actually sit down and record a separate nail polish of the week video on. But now just editing the footage and doing this voiceover, I am just getting pretty much obsessed with how opaque this one is with that first coat already. You will see it like in a little bit once I have applied the first coat to all 5 of my fingernails. It is insanely pigmented, and if you are able to get your hands on this color, even though like the limited edition collector's item box is sold out, you can still probably get your hands on the separate bottles from this specific collection. And yeah, I would really recommend to do so because it is a gorgeous color, and if you are into blues and you like some linear holographic polishes, this one is the one for you. It is really gorgeous. It applies really lovely as well. I was really pleased by that. To be honest, all of the polishes from that specific collection, I can't think of the name or like remember the name of that collection, but it wasn't the 2-year anniversary remix box, but the one before that. I don't know, I am brain farting over here. I just can't remember the name of it. Like, I'm looking at the box right now. It's like on my bookshelf or my little book cabinet, but I can't reach it and I don't feel like getting up either because I just had like a 9-hour workday and I'm just, to be honest, too tired to actually check it out and see what the collection is called. But I'm sure you will figure out which one it is because this color is called a Hydro Power. And yeah, you can just look it up, you know. I think this one is price-wise like $13 or $14 or something like that. Of course, if you are from Europe, I would highly recommend to just order some more items because the shipping is quite high, and if you order like stuff from, I think it's like $99 or $100 or more, you actually have free shipping. So yeah, I tend to like just order stuff from $100 at a time to just get rid of that high amount of shipping, because I think it's like $30 or something for the shipping on its own. And then of course, for me example, living in the Netherlands, I do have some extra like taxes I have to pay as well to actually like have it imported here. So yeah, I would highly recommend to just always order some extra stuff so you don't have to deal with the additional costs, which are pretty high. But back to this color, because it is gorgeous. I just feel like it's kind of like a mermaid in a bottle. It is really gorgeous. It would look pretty cool in a mermaid like tutorial or design or anything like that. So yeah, do let me know if you have this color as well. And if so, or you're planning on getting it, let me know what kind of like nail art design you would make with this, because I do have like some like spontaneous inspiration now looking at this color. So I'm really curious to hear what you guys think and what you would actually create with it. And also, if you are painting your nails together with me while watching this video, do let me know in the comments section down below what color you are wearing, or maybe you have some gems on your nails or glitter or different types and colors of polishes. I'm always really curious to hear about that and just talk with you guys in the comment section down below about nail polish related stuff or just anything you want to say. You can just say hi as well, that's like perfectly fine. I'm always up for a little chat with you guys anyway, so yeah, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. But just look at this color, isn't it gorgeous? As I mentioned, it is a linear holographic and there is so many holographic pigments in this one. It also almost looks like a glittery kind of polish, but it actually is really easy to remove afterwards as well, because it is just like a holographic pigment and not super gritty glitter. But yeah, once your colored coats are completely dry, you want to go in with your top coat. I'm actually going in with one by Orly. I got this one sent out to me by PR. I'm not quite sure what I think about it. Like, it isn't a bad top coat, but I haven't used it long enough or as often as I would like to really give you a full-on review on this one. But so far, I don't feel like it's a bad one. Price-wise, I really don't know what these actually go for, but I guess it's below like $6 or something, I hope, at least. Orly is actually a pretty new brand to me, or at least for me trying them out myself. Of course, I knew the brand by name. I've been following them forever on Instagram and such, but I just recently have gotten some like small PR packages from them, so I'm really happy about that. So I can actually check them out for you and do some other like maybe even review videos or nail polish of the week videos with them. But yeah, the top coat, it definitely applies lovely, like nothing bad about that, but other than that, I just haven't used it enough so far. But yeah, this was the entire new nail polish of the week video. I'm so sorry if I sound like sleepy or tired or something. I hope to be more awake next time. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.